If you are also confused like which serum to go for according to your skin concern, watch till then because I'm gonna cover all your concerns and also gonna talk about a secret tip. So hi everyone, my name is Manisha. I make skincare and haircare related content, and today I'm gonna talk about the 4 viral dark spot serums, and we're gonna see which one sits perfectly according to your skin type. So we're gonna start off with the Anua's niacinamide 10% and 4% TXA serum. Now there was a time this serum was supremely popular. It was like almost sold out everywhere. Even I was getting a lot of questions like where to buy it. I buy all my stuff from Yes Style, or I go in person and buy it from TNT. Right now it's easily available and it's available on Nykaa as well. But yeah, there was a time when this serum was all the hype, like everyone wants to try this out. But I will say this was something that is definitely worth spending your money in. Now, which skin type needs to buy this serum? If you're someone with dry, normal skin with a good skin barrier, this is the product you should definitely go for. If you have dark spot or if you want that brightness, dewiness on your skin, I will say definitely invest in this particular serum. Forget about all the other serums available. This single-handedly is gonna help brighten your skin, also fade away your dark spots. It's gonna, give you that glow from within. You don't even need to put like something extra on your skin. This is something that is amazing for that glow and hydration. But people who have sensitive skin, or people who have like oily or supremely oily skin, or who gets those bumps easily on their skin, you need to stay away from this product because it is a harsh serum. I'm gonna say it contains 10% of niacinamide combined with 4% of tranexamic acid in it, and the combination is harsh for your skin. So you, my friend, need to stay away from this product. There are better serums available for you, and we're gonna talk about that as well. But yeah, people with normal dry skin, this is like chef's kiss. Talking about the formula, for me, I have dry skin. This feels like watery to me, but I've heard a lot of people saying it has like oily texture. I don't know, you can feel if it's oily or not, right? No matter if you're dry skin, oily skin. And for me, it was watery. For some people it is oily, but for me it was watery texture. So yeah, I like this serum a lot. Next up comes with the same kind of category. It's from Nambuzen. It's a number 5 serum. Now this serum was also sold out, I remember, but I don't like this serum because I feel like it just didn't do anything for my skin. And I have heard a lot of reviews also about this product. It is, people have like love-hate kind of relationship with this particular product. There's no in between. Some people completely hate this product while others completely love the formula and everything. But I will say there is nothing great in this serum that it just stood out for me from all the 10,000 serums that I've tried. This is like a good product. It's not excellent. It's like okayish, quite okayish kind of product for me. Formula is pretty good. The consistency is amazing, but it is like something that was never a repurchase for me. So yeah, you can try it out, but I just never liked the formula. But its product claims that it's suitable for all skin type. I will still say sensitive skin people, you should stay away from this product. Next in line, we have the cosrx vitamin C 20% serum. Now this is like the highest concentration of vitamin C. And now when it comes to higher concentration of vitamin C, it simply means that it is gonna help get rid of those dark spots way easily compared to any other serum available in the market. So yeah, it definitely helps getting rid of the dark spot. It also helps giving you that brighter skin. That brightness is definitely there when you use this serum, and it is, I feel like, one of the best vitamin C serums available in the market. But because it doesn't come with a pump packaging, that definitely feels like a bummer to me, because this kind of packaging is really easy for the vitamin C to get oxidized in this packaging. Once it's oxidized, you basically cannot use it because then it's not effective. This product is amazing, I will say, but you have to be very, very careful while using this product. That's the reason I will not suggest this product to beginners, because no matter what, it is gonna oxidize. Also, it's not gonna work for people who have like supremely sensitive skin or supremely oily skin, because the texture is definitely a little bit oily, and at the same time it is like too much for sensitive skin. Now lastly, we have the Skin 1004 Tone Brightening Ampoule. Now this is something I repurchase over and over again. I love this product because it is super gentle, and the brand Skin 1004, it uses the EWG green grade ingredient, which makes it supremely safe for people with oily, acne prone skin or sensitive skin. So that's the reason I love this product. It is super light on the skin, and it provides that deep hydration, like that hydration from within, and at the same time that glow. Help reduce those dark spots and pigmentation, not immediately but definitely, because it's like very mild, which makes it suitable for people who have like oily or sensitive skin. And of course, people with dry normal skin can also use this product. Like I have dry skin and I love using this product in winters because summer it's like too much for me. So this is like again a really good serum, works amazing for your skin, but it definitely takes time, but it's suitable for acne prone skin. Now pro tip here is that always use sunscreen. If you only use sunscreen in your skincare routine, you don't need any of these products because sunscreen single-handedly can help prevent your skin from sun damage, which means you will not gonna face all these issues at first place. So yeah, sunscreen is the key. Well, that's all that I want to share in this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this one, and I'll see you within another honest review. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.